up speed and agility, Fred. I want you to run so fast that you're just a handsome blur with great hair. Ready, go! What? Oh, Fred, that was awesome. For a couple of seconds, you touched greatness.
New section.
Come on, Kevin.
Ideas?
No, we've been hiding him in alleys and garages, I mean, in the woods for 3
I gotta say no!
What's that? It's just an old hotel.
Their feet.
Someone's been playing Grand Theft Auto.
Oh! I did that! I did that!
Oh my God!
That's what I'm talking. We jackknifed them!
See that it went backwards and then turned upside down.
Gator turns fans upside down like they in a crazy washing machine!
Why are you calling yourself Gator?
It's a nickname I had in college. I used to run a dating service.
He was a pimp.
Yeah, I was. I was a pimp.
Is it me or does it smell like deer vagina?
My poor car.
Ah!